The new washer from LG features both a knob display and a touchscreen for ease of use. There are 10 default cycles when you power on your unit. There are additional cycles preloaded on the machine, which can be added to the default cycles. At the top of the knob display are 4 icons that light up to indicate when various functions are in use. A door lock indicator, a Wi-Fi indicator that illuminates when the washer is connected to the LG ThinQ app, a remote start indicator, and a control lock indicator. The touchscreen to the right of the dial display contains the cycle modifiers, extra functions, and option buttons. Use the touchscreen to modify the cycle settings. Press the temp button to adjust the temperature for the selected cycle. Press the spin button to adjust the spin speed. Press the soil button to adjust the soil level. Press the steam button to add steam to certain wash cycles. Press the extra rinse button to add up to 3 additional rinses to the cycle. Press the delay start button to delay the start of the wash cycle. Turn the knob to select the delay time from 1 hour up to 19 hours. Press the Fresh Care button to periodically tumble the wash after the cycle ends to help keep wrinkles from forming. Press the Options button and use the knob display to navigate through additional features and functions. Once you've chosen the desired cycle, press Start to begin. To cancel a cycle, press Start, turn the knob, and select the check mark to end the cycle.